Can anyone stand up and define only positives in words?
If they all are corrupt. No, sir, government employees. Government, because sir, I have an example. Sir,
Can you imagine? It is not even half. They are known as a private sector.
you know
I
that.
have a lot
But
of
you
examples.
don't accept.
Let
But you
me
don't
speak.
want to
I have a lot
accept
of
about it.
examples.
I'm asking you.
I'm asking you. So that's why I'm answering you. I'm asking you. And I'm answering you. सर प्राइवेट सेक्टर जो सॉरी एम्प्लॉयज जो होते हैं वो लोग इसलिए हार्ड वर्किंग ज्यादा करते हैं क्योंकि उन लोगों को पता होता है कि अगर हम नहीं करेंगे तो हम लोगों की जॉब चली जाएगी
Who said this?
सिक्योरिटी नहीं होती
So is it not corruption? Which thing?
Okay.
Which value?
I also have an example.
Which value are you talking about?
Okay, baseless. Your points are baseless. बेबुनियाद.
Scams of the world are done by the private employees.
How can you prove it?
the definition of job that is you are working under someone.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? All are fine? All are doing good? Okay. So today we are at Liaquat Colony campus and we are going to have a group conversation on one of the most interesting topics and debatable topics. So the topic of group conversation is private jobs versus government jobs. So we have divided our class into two groups. This group on my left, they are going to favor government jobs. Government jobs are better than private jobs. And on my right, all these students, as you can see, all these students are going to favor private jobs. That private jobs are better than government jobs. So are you all ready? Yes. No, I don't see any kind of excitement. Are you ready? Yes. All are ready? Yes. Okay, let's start. So who is going to start the proceedings? Let's start with stand up. What's your name?
Hiba.
Hiba. Okay, now Hiba will start the proceedings. Hiba is going to tell us how government jobs are better than private jobs. Start.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. As you know, it's me, Hiba Sheikh, in front of you, and I am a student at Liaquat Colony campus. I am from Journal 3. As you know, today we are here from a group conversation that is government job versus private job. So definitely today I am in favor of government job because it is much better than private job. So my first point I would like to tell you on security of job. Government jobs are more secure as they cannot fire workers at once private. But if I talk about private jobs, so they can fire workers without any reason and any time. And my second point is on working time. Government jobs have specific working hour. After this time, employees are free. They can spend their time with their family. But if I talk about private jobs, so they can ask for overtime. Maybe they will assign you any work and you have to do that. And my third point is on promotion. Government jobs can promote you on the basis of your performance. But if I talk about private sectors, so in private sector they have strict criteria for promotion. And my fourth point is on facilities. Government jobs provide their employees these facilities like healthcare, house rent, and free education for their children. But these facilities private jobs do not provide. And my fifth point is on pension. Government jobs provide pension after retirement to every employed. But if I talk about private sector, so private sector do not provide pension after retirement. Thank you so much for listening me.
Thank you very much. Yes, anyone from here? What's your name?
Muskan.
Muskan. Muskan is going to reply. Hiba. All right.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Well, this is Muskan Sheikh in front of you, and today we are gathered here for a group conversation. And the topic of our group debate is government job versus private job. And
to be like
absolutely,
this.
I am
True.
supporting private job is better than government job. First, let me tell you that what is job? A job is not something you do. It's a part of who you are. People do job because they want to get success in their life, and by getting a government job, they think they have achieved their goal. Until the retirement, they keep on doing the same thing. Means they stop at that point. On the other hand, private job does not stop you to keep working.
Even it helps you to keep walking by getting promotions, by showing your performance. The thing is, success does not stop. If you stop in the journey of your success, so you are unable to consider yourself as a successful person. On the other hand, government jobs government jobs have several disadvantages as compared to private jobs. One major drawback is the slow pace of promotions. Politicians may influence promotion decisions to their favorite candidates as compared to choosing deserving ones. On the other hand, in private job offers you faster promotions and more advantages or opportunities for advancement. Thank you so much.
All right, clap for her, clap for Muskan. Who is going to reply her from there? Who is going to reply her? Anyone? Yes. What's your good name? This is Taimur Ali. Taimur Ali. Taimur is going to reply Muskan. Now Muskan, listen to her. Listen to him. I start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. This is Taimur Ali in front of you, and today I am here for a debate on the topic: private job is better or government job? Obviously, government job is better than private job because it offers a sense of stability and security with competitive benefits and comprehensive salaries with defined career path. On the other side, private jobs comes with a lot of drawbacks like highly job insecurity, extreme workload pressure, long working hours, and government job also provides opportunities for public service for making a positive impact on the society, which is not in private jobs. Ladies and gentlemen, government employees also enjoys generous leave time, retirement plans, and job security, which make them attractive for those who are seeking balanced work life. Related to this, a well-known and former president of United States of America said that government service isn't a career, it's a calling. It is a chance of making positive impact and differences in the lives of others and to build a better future for our country and its people and to leave a legacy that will last for generations to come. And this compliment tells us how prestigious and honorable government job is. That's all. Thank you. Okay, left for Mr. Taimur up here. Now, who is going to respond, Mr. Taimur, from here? Yes, stand up. What's your good name? First, introduce yourself.
Ahmad Nasrallah. This is an Nasrallah in front of you. First of all, let me clear my point. We are not talking about just private jobs of Pakistan. It's global. So we should always support private jobs because there are a lot of advantages of private jobs like salary. Because if we talk about the salary, so in the currency of Pakistan is too low as compared to other countries. So if we can earn $2,000 per month, so it will be more than money as compared to Pakistan. It is more than enough as compared to Pakistan. And the second point is that if we are working abroad the country, so we can visit that country with we will not too much pay, we can't pay, and we can visit that country and we can enjoy a lot in that country. If we talk about the third point, so my third point is that if we are doing abroad the country, if we are doing work abroad the country, so if we are working abroad, so we can involve our siblings, our relatives, which are knows that field, and which if this field is great, so we can involve them. So that was my presentation. If you have any questions, so you may ask. Allah Hafiz. Debate.
I just shared my ideas. Yes, debate. Okay, fine. Next, who is going to share next from here? Yes, please. What's your good name? Introduce yourself first.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Kekashar and I am a student of English and I am the student of Journal 3. Today we all are here to discuss what is better, government job or private job. But
I stand in favor of government job because government job are more beneficial than
What's your good name?
Kehkashan.
Kehkashan, look at the audience and now speak little louder so that all can hear you. They all can hear you, please. Louder, little louder.
Can I speak in Islam?
Yes, yes, louder.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Myself Kehkashan and I am the
Can you
student
listen
of
to her now? Clear voice.
I am the student of English and I am from Journal 3. Today we all are here to discuss the what is better, government job or private job. But I stand in favor of government job because government job are more beneficial than private job. Let's talk about job security. Government sectors provide us job security and stability. If we talk about private sector, a lot of people lose their jobs. And if we talk about government sectors, talk about education. In a government sectors, a lot of students get education free, and in a private sectors, a lot of it is expensive. It has expensive education. After that, let's talk about social benefits. In a government sectors, they give us social benefits like healthcare and pension, and after retiring they will give us high amount. And after that, let's talk about work. In a government sector they do not burdenize the employees, but in a private sector they burdenize their employees. Thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Clap for her. Clap for her. Now, let's keep things easy. Why are you looking so down? Why there is no excitement? Why are you not excited? What happened? Is there anything wrong? Are you feeling underconfident? No, all are confident? Sure? Fine. Anyone who is feeling underconfident? Overconfident. Now please stand up, Mr. Temur. Now tell us why are you so overconfident?
So
Does
because-
being overconfident help?
See, the points which my opponents are giving are very baseless. They have no.
Okay, baseless. Your points are baseless. Bebunyad.
No points at all. Please
Yeah.
continue.
Yeah, so that's why I'm
Ignite them.
I just want to tell them this, that bring out the aggressive side of yourself.
Bring out the aggressive side of you. Can anyone reply?
You are very low,
Can anyone
in
reply?
my opinion.
Yes. Reply him. He is there.
I am replying the Temur. He didn't study about it. Overconfident is the really wrong thing. And
Being overconfident is really bad.
yes,
What is
and if you are doing overconfident, so it is very bad thing for you, for we all. So what is your opinion
Okay.
about it?
So my opinion is that instead of being underconfident, overconfident is very good.
But you said overconfident.
Yeah. But
Change your ideas on private jobs versus government jobs.
Yes.
What do you say? Ask question. If you have got any question, you can ask them. They are
Okay.
going to reply as a group.
you said
Bring
that
some excitement in the conversation.
currency of Pakistan is very low as compared to other countries.
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever seen the currency of Africa or Zimbabwe or these type of countries? They are very low than Pakistan also. And if you see the Iran, the 1 rupee of Iran is more than 100 rupees of Pakistan. Means currency of Iran is very cheap.
Listen,
comparing to Pakistan.
If we are working, if we want to work abroad the country, so we will not choose that country which are lower than Pakistan. We will always expect that we want to go at America, at London, and their countries. So we don't want to go there. So that's why I'm telling you. And
Okay, let me just tell you that a lot of people in Pakistan go to Iran for doing jobs because there are no jobs in Pakistan nowadays. In Pakistan there are very low jobs. That's why many of Pakistanis go to Iran also, and you are saying no one goes there. So you are wrong here. First of all,
the debate is not on that we are doing their work. The Pakistani workers went there for do private job. So listen, what is the value of private job?
not all the people go there for private jobs. A lot of people go there for government jobs.
But the
Let me
majority.
complete my point, my boy. Let me complete.
Okay.
Most of the Pakistan, see the example of Germany. There are mostly government everywhere. A lot of people go to study in Germany, and all the institutions are government. Everyone is doing government jobs there. So, what is the opinion of you on this?
That's why you are supporting government jobs. They are doing their government jobs. That's why you
No,
are doing.
I am
That's why you are supporting that.
I am supporting government job.
Yes.
Because,
Why? Why?
because-
My reason is that.
Yeah, I am explaining.
Yes.
Let me explain.
Yes. Okay.
Government job is better than private job because yeah,
How?
I'm saying.
People say that government employees are lazy. They get lazy when they are hired.
Yes.
Is that true?
रुक जा.
Just see the example of world. You don't just talk about Pakistan. Just globally, you just talk about this. Okay. So I just forget what were you asking to me. What were
Sorry?
you asking to me?
I said, why is government job better than private job?
How government jobs are better than
May I tell you example of private
on
jobs?
a global scale?
So you just made my point
On
for
a global
that.
scale, I just asked you in Pakistan, India, government employees are lazy.
Yes.
When
No.
somebody
Sir?
becomes a government employee, there is no workload. So they don't work accordingly. The performance is down.
How can
Private
you-
job, private job seekers are more productive.
Okay, I just got my point. What I was saying. I was saying that government jobs are better because government keeps the well-being of human beings on priority. On the other hand, the private sectors, all the private jobs just see profit. They work only for profit, not for the well-being of human beings. Okay, they just see their profits.
All right. Anyone else would like to say something on it?
Yes. Anybody else?